Yeah, the paddle shifters are awesome now. Here's a look at Christopher Polvoorde. So Christopher back in Baja, he took off the San Felipe race, wanted to try something a little different, went and raced in the US for a race instead, and said, you know what, I gotta get back to Baja, so here he is.
On a sick one. We've seen this kind of aggression already today. We'll see how this plays out.
Yeah, this could be very fast here. Eric Husted is in with a 424.3, so just in front of Dan McMillan, who had a 424.6.
Polvoorde here started his racing career in the short course world, and it shows in situations like this. Like I said, they say go, he flips that switch, and it's game on.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. We got the telemetry, too. You can see what gear he's in, RPM. Look at the gas. Oh, brake. That's awesome.
Floor it.
Yeah, look, 40, 45. This is not a real fast qualifier, like we said. They're not doing 90 miles an hour here. This is about the fastest, longest straightaway right here. Let's see what he gets up to. 75.
It's just amazing how quick these things slow down.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's right. You can see mostly using the gas, not using the brake too much. A little bit here and there.
This is pretty fast. I'm very curious. Oh, that's
really fast. He just cleared that whole little stuff jump thing. He cleared the whole thing.
This guy's nuts.
Yeah, this is going to be fast.
We got
Should be Mike Kim riding with him there.
Yeah, we got a halfway time here for McCachran with a 2:25, which if we're looking at halfway times, it's putting him in the number 5 spot.
Oh, Polvoorde is, getting a little sideways there. Little Western.
Yeah.
Gathered it up nicely, though. See if he can hold this pace. If he can hold this pace, he's got to be at the top. He's got to be. High reward, a little bit more for it. Six seconds faster than Luke McMillan was. Wow. I mean, we saw it. It makes sense.
Wow, that was incredible. All right.